Okay, guys. I'm just gonna make this video pretty quick. Because I just wanna shout out a lot of people for being in my channel for such a long time and everything. So yeah. Also, make sure to also join my group. This is actually a group called Bacon for Life Devs. If you're a developer, tell me in the comments, and then do a send a join request, and then I will add you in it. Now, I'm sorry, but I only accept devs. I do not accept other people, but you can join my normal group over here. Anyways, let's get to the shoutouts. So the shoutouts today will be first from his Roblox username is Real Magic Power, and his YouTube channel is Magic Polecat 32 Gaming. That's his username. And another shout out is gonna be TwistTuber. He's actually my friend. There will be a Sardines video coming up with him later today, or maybe tomorrow, maybe Friday. But basically, this is gonna be a Sardines video coming from him. So yeah, it's gonna be a pretty cool Sardines video. Will be coming out very, very soon. And also, shout out to Mike Windows 89 Roblox. Try to get him to 50 subs. He's one of my good friends. He's helped me a lot with videos. So yeah, go shout out to him. Just try and reach him to 50 subs, guys. Try and reach Mike Blandis to 50 subs, guys. Hopefully you guys can do this. And yeah, another shout out will be to probably TM Justice. He's one of my he's been commenting on all of my videos, having some good comments. He's one of those supportive people who are at my channel. Yeah. I really appreciate you guys who support me a lot. So yeah. And I'm just checking my YouTube right now. It's actually let me show you right now. Let's go to YouTube. And then our channel has grown a lot, guys. I can't believe it. But we are almost at if we go over here, we are almost at 50 subs, guys.
I'm back.
Boy, can I tell you something? I'm recording right now, and you just came in.
Yeah.
I was just doing a shout out video. Okay, anyways, let me just continue with the video. So, yeah, guys, we just hit 57 subs. Thank you guys so much. Anyways, guys, shout out to TwistTuber. Shout out to Magic Polecat 32 Gaming. Shout out to Mike Windows and TM Justice. And if I did miss you,
I'm just watching YouTube right now. This guy's redeeming he's redeeming 6 gift cards.
So, yeah, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the shout out video, and see you guys in the next one.